As we enter into a time of meditation together, let's think about those loving thoughts, those fathers in our lives, because the father in your life might not have been your genetic father, might have been an adoptive father. The father figure in your life might have been a brother, an uncle, a coach, a teacher, a grandfather. Whatever father figure in your life, I'd like you to imagine them in just a moment, wrapped up in a bubble of love. So let's take a deep breath in together. And as you breathe and relax your shoulders, if you're comfortable, close your eyes if you're comfortable. And if your father is still in the physical body, I want you to imagine your father. If your father is in the spirit world, I want you to imagine your father, that father figure. And I want you to see that person. I want you to see them. And I want you to see that person laughing. Imagine a smile on their face. Imagine them laughing, lighthearted. Imagine them. I can see some of those men that have been father figures to me. I can see my own father smiling, telling me a joke, patting me on the back. Maybe your father didn't have good words for you, but I know a father figure somewhere in your life did. Hear those words. Those words are, I love you. You're awesome. You're great. Can you see that father figure smiling at you, extending their arms, saying, come here. I want to hug you. Come here. Give me a hug. That father spirit is in each of us, not just from our divine Father, not just from the divine mind. It's all around us. It's in each of us. And as you hold that image of that father figure, and as you see them smiling with arms open wide, step into that hug. Step into it. And send them also back your love. And as we enter the silence together, feel that love. And as we breathe in, and as we breathe out, we honor that fatherly love that we experience here. We honor that fatherly love from above, and so it is.